Welcome to the Complete Beginner Trading Guide, your roadmap from struggling to consistent trading. If you are new to trading or struggling to find consistency, this video walks you step by step through the exact process you need to follow to avoid common mistakes and build consistent results. Before diving into techniques, we must understand what trading really is. Trading is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not easy money or simply guessing the direction of the market. Instead, successful trading is fundamentally about managing risk, understanding probability, and maintaining strict discipline. Once you truly internalize this, everything changes. Next, let's talk about choosing the right market. Whether it's Forex, crypto, or stocks, it doesn't matter initially. The key is to choose only one market and commit to mastering it. Jumping between markets only slows your learning down. Now, let's look at building a simple but effective strategy framework. Every robust trading strategy needs 4 essential components: clear trend identification, an entry trigger, a defined stop loss, and a set target for profit. Remember to keep your strategy simple. Complexity leads to hesitation, and hesitation is costly in trading. The backbone of consistent trading is strict risk management. Here are the core rules. Rule number 1, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on any single trade. And rule number 2, never ever move your stop loss. Finally, remember that one trade does not define your success or failure. Focus on consistency in your execution. This is far more valuable than aiming for single big wins. Trading is not just technical, it's a mental game. Psychology and discipline are often the downfall of beginner traders. Fear and greed, not the charts, are what ruin traders. You must create strict rules to protect yourself from your own emotional reactions. These rules should include a maximum number of trades per day, maximum loss limit per day, and taking a break immediately after a significant loss. These rules are your shield. Indicators and tools can be helpful, but they don't replace discipline. They should only serve to add clarity to your trading decisions. One tool that I personally recommend for beginners is VIP indicators. These indicators simplify trading by clearly highlighting the current trend direction, showing momentum, and identifying high-probability entry zones, helping to reduce confusion. You can check out VIP indicators using the link provided below in the description to see how they can transform your trading setup. Trading is a journey, not a race. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and always focus on the process over immediate profits.